subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Good morning friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Sir Abdul Sattar Khan spoken English। पब्लिक स्पीकिंग का पार्ट है पंडित नेहरू से इंग्लिश स्पीच अ ट्राइस्ट विद डेस्टिनी प्रैक्टिस के लिए दी जा रही है। लेट्स बिगिन। चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। अ ट्राइस्ट विद डेस्टिनी। दिस स्पीच इज गिवन बाय पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू was an English language speech delivered by Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, to the Indian Constituent Assembly in the Parliament on the eve of India's independence towards midnight on 14th August 1947. The speech spoke on the aspects that transcended Indian history. Let's begin. Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes which comes but rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends and when the soul of a nation long suppressed finds utterance. It is fitting that at this solemn moment we take the pledge of dedication to the service of India and her people and to the still larger cause of humanity. At the dawn of history, India started on her unending quest, and trackless centuries are filled with her striving and the grandeur of her success and failures. Through good and ill fortune alike, she has never lost sight of that quest or forgotten the ideals which gave her strength. We end today a period of misfortunes, and India discovers herself again. The achievement we celebrate today is but a step, an of an opening up of opportunity to the greater triumphs. उम्मीद है आपको हमारा ये वीडियो समझ में आया होगा। अगले वीडियो में दोबारा मुलाकात होगी।